I want to make a disclaimer and say that iMessage is not available for Android, and there are no workarounds to this. However, in this video, I'm going to present to you a method that allows you to play only the games from iMessage on your Android device. Simply open up the Play Store and look for this app that I'm showing you on screen. Plateau Games and Group Chats. After you download this app, Plateau from the Plateau team, open it up, and this is the first screen that you are going to see. It's going to help you set up the app, and you can select Add Friend at the top to add your friends. Simply click the plus sign, and then you can either copy your friend ID to give to others, or you can add by copying their ID, as you can see here. After you add them, you can go over to the Games tab and select whatever it is that you want to play. And as long as you have them added, you will be able to invite them to play. Or alternatively, you can simply join a matchmaking queue if you don't want your friends to download this app. I hope I was able to help you on how to play iMessage games on an Android device.